Want to calculate employee bonuses automatically in Excel? Today, I'll show you how to combine IF and VLOOKUP into one powerful formula. This is a game changer for HR teams, finance departments, and students learning Excel. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our employee sales table. We have employee ID, name, department, and sales figures. Now, on the right, I have a bonus table. The rule is simple. If sales are under $800, no bonus. If sales are $800 or more, Excel should look up the bonus from the bonus table. Let's build our formula step by step. First, in cell E2, start with the if formula. Type equals if. Open parenthesis. If function checks a condition. Next, D2 less than 800. This is our test condition. Then, add a comma and type no bonus. This means, if sales are less than 800, show the text no bonus. Now, if sales are 800 or above, we want Excel to pull the correct bonus from the bonus table. That's where VLOOKUP comes in. So, we extend our formula like this. Here's what's happening. D2 less than 800 checks if sales are below $800. If the condition is true, no bonus. Then VLOOKUP searches D2 in the bonus table G2 to H4 and returns the matching bonus. The two means return the second column, which is the bonus amount. And true tells Excel to find the closest match if the sales figure isn't exact. Now, press enter. Let's drag the formula down. Look at the results. Always protect your formula with IFERROR function. If someone enters invalid sales data, you don't want ugly errors on your sheet. Simply wrap the whole formula like this. Finally, press enter. Now, if something goes wrong, Excel politely says, check data instead of showing an error code. And that's how you master IF plus VLOOKUP for instant bonus calculations. Try it for grades, pricing, or discounts too. If you found this useful, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel hacks. See you next time.